Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to insert a calendar in Excel quickly and easily. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Excel. Then open Microsoft Excel. Now click on More Templates. In the search bar, you will search for Calendar. Then press Enter. Now choose any calendar template you like. I'm choosing this one. Then click on Create. And that's it, your calendar is ready to edit. You can change the year, month, color and design easily. Like I'm changing it 2026, change the month to February, or you can change the color from there. This method is perfect for if you want a ready-made professional calendar. Now method 2, create a simple calendar manually. You can also create your own calendar. Enter the days of week in the first row, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or enter the dates below. You can even use formula like is equals to today brackets, enter. Automatically show the current date, and that's how you insert a calendar in Excel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.